Sanibonani dumelang mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana Na. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, bringing nothing but the drama. Apparently I fix, apparently I neutralize, apparently I destroy. Do stay tuned to find out. Let's get it.
Sanibonani dumelang mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana Na. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame. Ntombi yaseGqeberha. And I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure ziyamporo ma. Best believe if we are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned. It's about to go bananas.
No, but nenga.
No, manje usukhipha impilo yami uyibeke ebane nobala. So yini inkinga yakho kani? Mawuthatha i-private life yami uyibeka la. Why ufuna ngabi nemfihlo?
But what is Vanessa? She's a baby mama and what? Definitely see a couple. Oh, what a body. What a body. I hope he's not cheating on her. Anyway, hi guys. How are you? I'm good. I'm so sorry to ambush you guys. I've got a YouTube channel. Can I just ask you a few questions?
Okay.
Is it fine?
Sure.
All right. Name?
Ganyes.
Ganyes.
Yeah.
And? Shogi.
Yeah.
How long have you guys been together?
2 years.
2 years.
Yeah.
Still going strong?
Mm.
Oh, okay. Do you trust him?
Yeah, I do.
Do you trust yourself?
Yeah, I
Okay. Do you trust her?
do.
And do you trust yourself? And there's no history of cheating? Okay, guys. On a scale of 1 to 10, how comfortable are you guys with each other?
10.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm breaking the scale 10.
10.
Yes.
You guys fought in front of each other?
No.
See? So is it really 10 if you can't fight in front of him?
No.
So it's not 10,
It's 10 though.
but you can't fight in front of him?
Mm-mm.
Oh, you can't fight in front of her? I love you guys. I love that. All right. You guys said there's no history of cheating, right?
No.
Okay. What's that one thing, if she were to do, you would completely end the relationship and be like, it's over? Over, ne? What about you?
Navele mangizothola ukuthi uyashisa.
Over, ne?
Mm.
Yeah, you guys are scared of AIDS, ne? Also scared of AIDS. How do you know?
Yeah.
How do you know?
Amachita saringa ngisho sahlala namachita nginaye athi ishaye 8 manje yabona.
Bamshaya nge-AIDS or yena ushaya nge-AIDS?
Utholi 8 ebantwini angizoli ngihamba la yabona.
Really? From here, guys?
Gas.
Oh, damn it.
Fire lezinto.
Yeah, so there's a lot. So you're careful. So you're definitely not cheating.
I'm not.
Hey, Ke, let's prove your loyalty then.
Hey.
You don't mind?
Alright.
Do you guys have to switch phones? Is it fine? You swap phones and you guys go through each other's WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, basically each other's. But look, you're trying to prove your loyalty, yes. She must look at it.
Then
If she finds you cheating, Galoko, then you're cheating. She can't trust you.
she trusts me when I want millions can go WhatsApp ngoba show.
Huh?
Why millions can go WhatsApp ngoba ufuna skin WhatsApp.
Because I'm just trying to get you guys to prove your loyalty. That's it. So you don't want to prove. You said you're scared of AIDS.
I'm scared of AIDS.
Are you afraid of AIDS?
Come on.
So then switch phones.
Hayi mama.
Huh?
Nice.
Thank you. You see, by the grace of God. By the grace of God.
I'm telling you.
All right, CMTV viewers, it is about that time. Couples switching cellular mobiles. All right, this is your phone, ne? Okay, can you hold it? Do you have a password?
No password.
Okay. WhatsApp, ne? And then type I love you. Wake? What's funny? Okay. Scroll.
Nani kuseba?
Sibone nix.
How?
Okay, that's you though.
Yeah, that's me.
Okay, type I miss you too. Oh. Scroll. Do you want to tell him or ask him?
Yeah. Ubani uNuluhloni?
Antwana.
Hayibo, ngifundelana amahathangaka.
Yo!
Hey, angisho anti yakhumbula
Uthuzu uyamkhumbula, ufuna lento leya futhi.
Yi play.
Hayibo.
Wona wazi le yapasela le ya imali.
Hayibo.
Kati kuneki.
Ngisendelana lama emoji la snacks.
Mara yabo lento le yeni ama TV.
Ngitshela ukuthi uBanihloni phela.
It's your aunt.
Yeah?
Is it your
Telephone.
Uyithatha kanjani because ngiyakubuza ukuthi uBanihloni ngisho.
Hloni siswa.
How?
Your aunt and she's your sister. Which one is it?
How?
It's your mother's sister or your father's sister? What?
On my father's side.
Lo Hloni nje ngizwa ngathi nje.
Usemakhaya manje.
Semakhaya.
Oh, okay.
Yini?
Do you want go more into the chat?
See again.
You're telling your aunt you miss her.
Yo.
Telephone khaya yabo.
Ungayithathi ifoni, ngithathelani ifoni?
My phone yami mos.
Do you wanna call her and make sure it's really the aunt?
Yes.
I also think let's call her.
Ayi asifoni.
Let's call your aunt.
Asifoni.
For real.
Usisi uAnt angisatholi kahle ukuthi
Ayisho
ubani.
ngiyasho to auntie.
We want her to also say she's your aunt. Lee, can you please have the phone?
Ima out yami ngiyacela. Wo, telephone yami.
Thank you.
Sorry. Konke iPhone yami sis.
Okay, go into okay. Okay, stop there. There's manga.
Yes.
Esibuya. Bangiyasho mos. Ningangifoni.
Hello. Hello Hloni. Ukhuluma nomuntu ka baby. Hayibo sisi. No, phela nako ngiyabona ukuthi nje ninokubonana nje angazi ngingekho mina ubuzelani ngami.
Iphakade lami lelo sisi.
Hayibo, iphakade lakho la kuphi?
He's saying you his aunt.
Papa phone ngitlobi.
Sorry akibakubona
Yabona ma selfies ngalona. Papa phone.
from nini sisi because mina sengiyibambile from 2 years.
Nawane.
Hayibo.
Your aunt.
Nawane.
Hayi phela ke nakwake uthi uaunt wakhe wena.
Ngizwa kahle nawane.
Uthi wena uaunt ke phela.
Ngiyasami sokhuluma mina.
Hawu.
Baby, asami.
You wanna talk to your woman?
Na dropa phone.
You don't wanna talk to your woman?
Dropa phone. Ke yo motho wa ka ke tsamalena. Iri ke boele motho wa ka. Emfethu ngama bulletproof ka toy kanti uvalele indlela. Lithi ngikhulume nomuntu
You're dating your aunt?
I'm not dating my aunt.
Then who's this girl? Who's Slonny?
Who's Connie? Leave it, please. Whoa. Ngikhuluma nomuntu wami. Whoa.
Talk, we here, talk.
Bakabheka ngicabanisa nomuntu wami. Manenza so.
But you're the one cheating.
I'm the one cheating. But nina ngene kanjani la?
Singene emnyango.
Hayi mani kancane wo. Ngiyanicela. Love isala baby.
Can we let's check her phone, you know?
Baby, isala usokhuluma. But man katiwai kat.
Are you gonna stay with him?
No.
Nah, because he's been cheating for one. So you're not scared of AIDS?
1 year. Madoda zomtshela ngama 8.
Isala.
You're scared of AIDS?
I'm scared of.
Are you not afraid of AIDS? All right.
Ungangibazi.
Where's her
Uma
phone?
ngikuthela emakamereni ebantwini.
She's not acting, you cheated.
I'm cheating. Yini manje? Oh my uyenza so wena. Ngikhoshela mina.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Oh, Lee's like, can I have my phone? Here's your phone, little Honolo. Tata, and check her WhatsApp and type I love you. Type I love you there. You ready there?
Okay. But there's no need.
Yeah, because you know she's loyal and you're not. Then just scroll.
Okay. Ngithenga ifoni lento yakhe mas.
That's you, mustn't
it? I don't mas Mike. Ubani Mike pam? Okuphi?
Hayibo ngisho ngakuthenga ngifunda nami la sesikolweni.
Usesikolweni?
Why are you telling him you love him?
Uthina mama.
Umngani.
She said love. Wow. Mana chola mas. No, musamanu. Sendelana manuts nomngani.
You don't know what's on your phone?
No, I'm sending nudes musumuntu wakho.
Guys, call. You don't know what's on your phone?
Yeah.
You just disappointed me.
So,
Wow.
No, it's fine. It's fine. Do you want to call Mike? Do you want to call Mike?
I'm phoning Mike.
Lily, can we please call Mike? Yeah, you Ruza when?
And you Rose.
So he might as well also cheat with the aunt from Emakai because you're also cheating. How long have you been with Mike?
5 months.
Oh, so Mike is your person. You just said you've been with him for 5 months.
But my name is
Nangu Mike a text. The audacity. The audacity. Oh, so you think it's 50-50? It's fine if you're cheating because he's also cheating. Oh, so you love Mike? Yo.
Mike Muta.
Hi, Niyazenza izinto.
Waza phela. Waza.
Ayitshele yathi suke phambi kwami.
Asukeleni.
Ayitshele yathi suke phambi kwami.
Ume lapho sukeleni for in.
Sitshele yathi suke phambi kwami ubone. Ngizokubamba uzobona. Basuka labantu bama TV la. Yeah? Bazosuka labantu uzobona.
Hello.
Sure on that. Hey Mike. Hey baba. Ungitshele kahle ehlekwenza chirwa msendela namanuthi.
Ngitshele kahle ngechiri yakho.
Ngisendela namanuthi wena nomuntu wami enhleke ngithatha kanjani?
Say your name, Gonja. Say your name.
Ukhuluma nohloki la.
Media ukhuluma ngayo.
Media yakho. Enhleke nothi ngithatha kanjani? Kade nifunde eklasini ninodwa kani? Yeah. Hey baba.
He's not talking.
No,
It's fine. He's confirmed that you guys is near Faber. No, it too. He's essentially in his respect. What do you don't? So you don't want your man?
No, I don't want him.
Are you gonna go to Mike?
Yes.
Oh, you've been wanting Mike, Vel. Are you serious? Hayi yazenza izinto.
Ngithatha uthini?
You're nice. No, I think let her go now. Rather date the aunt because she's not remorseful.
Let me talk to you.
Let please. Sir, I am not your size. I am not your type.
But I can see my type.
Lee, can you please go, guys? Please go about your business. I'm sorry to ruin your day, ne?
Yeah.
Where's the phone? Vusi. No.
Why?
Trust me, I'm not your type.
You are.
Lee, can we please go? Okay. Thank you. Please redirect focus. Thank you so much. All right, CMTV viewers, it is complete. My name is Lisa Sirami. Don't be yaseqebeha. Do follow me on Instagram, Lisa Sirami _ and as well as TikTok, Lisa Sirami _. See you later.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana Na. Do you trust each other? My name of course is Lisa Sirami. Don't be yaseqebeha. And I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process of course I make sure Ziyamporo ma. Best believe if we are you Ruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
Siyayibona into yenzayo.
No, but nengani.
No, manje usukhipha impilo yami uyibeke bale nobala. So yini inkinga yakho ngani? Mawuthatha i-private life yami uyibeka la. Why ufuna ngabi na imfihlo?
What is Vanessa? She's a baby mama and what?